It's so pinky purple and beautiful. So I'm so excited because I got this package from Huda Beauty, which, like, I'm sorry, but her PR packages lately, they're so good. Like, they're so good. The accessories that she sends with these PR packages is incredible. Look at all these goodies. They are just the cutest. I did get a mirror. I'll just show you guys the stuff first. We have a cute mirror. Hey, me, it's me. The cutest little hair clips, which maybe I should stick in. I know this is a whole vibe right now, but maybe let's just put those babies in. Oh, that's just lovely. Oh, these are actually good grippies, you guys. I'm gonna do a 2-for-1 special. Oh, cute. These clips are perf. Like, I love that I've got a curl and then just straight up straight hair. Massive puffs. I don't know what we're puffing, but that's huge. Like, that would, oh, I wonder if I could use it for like self tanner because that's so big. So we got some little puffs and then we got this cute little bag that says Huda Beauty, and like even the detailing on the actual, what's this called? Zip says Huda. I mean, it's just adorable. So thank you for always sending out the best packages. Whoever is responsible for these PR packages, you guys are absolutely the winners. Like, you guys are, every package is always stunning. So they did send me my favorite color, which is peach pie. That one is the one that I have on currently. It's my absolute favorite. But then there's a new color and it's called Ube birthday cake, or is it Oob? I'm not really sure. But it's like a purpley kind of like lavendery pinky color. And the packaging is new, you guys. So this is like their brand new packaging, which I honestly love. I'm really happy they switched it up, but that color looks really good. I don't know how it would work if you're super fair, but if you're a self-tanner like me, cool beans. I got some new blushes, which I already have blush on, so we're not going to play with those today. But we have strawberry cream, which is that color. And then we have ube or oob cream. I'm not sure. Is it ube? I feel like it would be ube. I don't even know what ube is, but I feel like that's what it is. Let me just swatch them for you guys. You guys can see the packaging. Oh, I'm obsessed. And then I also got a lip gloss. So let's put the lip gloss on real quick. This one's called Ooh Baby. And it's the faux filler, which is a great lip gloss, you guys. Absolutely love these lip glosses. The packaging is gorge. I mean, it's giving Valentine's Day. Yes! It's just like a soft, cool toned pink. I love this formula. It's so shiny and glossy. It's not sticky. The wand is so soft and so fat. And it has like a nice little angle. Oh, it smells delicious too. That's gorge. Let's grab one of these puffs. I'm just gonna grab this little purple one here. And then we're gonna go right into this ube powder. And we are gonna see what the deal is. Love this new packaging. So we're gonna just dip right in. It does have like that little sieve kind of, I can't think of the word. But we're just gonna go and fix this bronzer. Oh my God, yes, this color. Hold on, I think I need a little bit more. I love the way that the packaging feels, like with the curved, rounded edges. Love it. My hair's looking so ridiculous. Looks like I got a bad haircut. We're just gonna ignore it, guys. I'm just gonna let that sit for a sec. That puff is really nice and soft, by the way. I'll swatch these blushes for you guys. I love this lip color. I just love the way that these rounded edges feel, you guys. Okay, so this one is called Ube. What is it called? I think this one's called Ube Cream. So this is their blush. This is what the wand looks like. Oh, that's pretty. You know what it kind of reminds me of? Those smell good too. They're fruity. They kind of remind me of that one color that Nicki Minaj came out with like years ago. Do you guys remember that? I can't remember what it was called. Maybe it was just called Nicki Minaj. And then that is, what is this one called? Why do these smell so good? Strawberry cream. So ube cream and strawberry cream. Let me just blend them out a little bit. So like, let's just, oh, look at that. And they are a really beautiful formula, you guys. So that's the strawberry. And then this is the ube. Is that how I'm saying it? I'm saying it right? I don't know. Look at the texture. Look at the glow. Look at the glow. We're going to just see how it works. Maybe I'll be so bright and cute. Oh my God, it's actually really beautiful. It's definitely super brightening. Oh my God, it's so cute. We're just gonna pretend that my hair looks good, you guys. I'm gonna take a little bit of this e.l.f. Finest Fleck Glitter Shadow. I'm gonna use it right here as a little sparkle. Cause it's like it's fine little flecks of glitter. So I think that's gonna be real cute. I absolutely love this powder. At first I was a little nervous because it was so purple, but once you blend it out, it just does a really good job of like brightening the under eye and making it look really, really pretty without being too much. I love the new packaging. I think it's gorgeous. The puffs are fab. I'm obsessed with the lip color. I also love these little hair clips. They're so cute. And I cannot wait to try the blush. So Huda Beauty, you've done it again. Why are you so fabulous? Why is everything you do so amazing? I am obsessed with you and your PR team, whoever makes these packages, because every single one is better than the next. Now I just need to go and fix my hair because like that's not the vibe.